Double-click on downloaded file. Click on More Info and then click on Run Anyway. Click Next. Accept the agreement and click Install. Wait for some time. Here USB is already selected. Click on drop-down and select PosBox Printer. Click on Install. Printer installation is completed. Now go to Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Printers and Scanners. Here you can see that PosBox Printer is installed. Click on that. You can also explore preferences to make changes in the printer setting. Here default paper size is 72 mm by 50 mm. You can change size from here. In Print option, you can change speed and darkness of the printer. In the Cutter option, you can change if it should cut in the end or after each print. Setting option can be used if there is an issue with label alignment. Click on Print Test page to check connectivity of the printer. Hope this video was helpful.